Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to maintain your facial hair at home and get that barber quality finish without even leaving your bathroom. We're going to be shaping up my beard with a Cutthroat razor and a few other essentials. So if you're like me and you don't go to the barbers that often, you don't get your hair cut much, this is absolutely essential because it allows you to stay fresh, stay well groomed and maintain your facial hair. First things first, you need to make sure you have a clean face. Utilize a cleanser. Make sure you are selecting one that is adequate for your skin type. I have a combination to oily and sensitive skin, so this is the perfect product for my skin type. And I also use one of these small silicone scrubs that I got off Amazon for a couple of pounds. Essentially, you can really get in to your beard and you're going to be able to wash off any dry, dead skin cells to stop you having a flaky beard. Think of it like dandruff, but from your beard. This is going to help prevent any infections or irritation that you may have from shaving. So just a quick tip here as well, when you are drying your face, pat your face dry. Don't be vigorously rubbing a hard dry towel on your skin. If you have sensitive skin like me, that could cause a lot of irritation. Your face could appear red. So yeah, pat your face dry. Don't scrub it with the towel. So first of all, I'm just going to be lining and shaping up where I want to shave with this precision trimmer. This is from a brand called Russell's Shave Club. I will link all of the products in the description just in case anybody's interested. So generally, first of all, I would trim my beard to an adequate length, utilizing a beard trimmer that can have different grades on. So if you're the type of person who has a larger beard, maybe it's been growing out for a while, tame it first with a beard trimmer before you start trying to edge it up, just so then you can reduce the volume of your beard and it gives you a little bit of a cleaner workspace. And also make sure to trim around the cheek and the neckline because it's going to help with the next stage. So you just want to bring it to the line that you're going to be shaving to. Now this isn't going to be as close as the Cutthroat razor, but it's just going to give me that edge that I'm looking for. So now I have the general shape that I'm looking for. I'm going to be using a Cutthroat razor. Now I've only been using these for the past couple of weeks. I always opted for a normal razor where you have obviously 4 blades stacked on top of one another. These are much better for precision, but I was definitely a little bit nervous when I first started utilizing one, and I could appreciate that most people, if you haven't used one, it is a little bit nerve-wracking the first time. First of all, I'm going to be using this soothing shaving gel. I'm just going to be applying this all to my neck and my cheek line here. This is going to soften the hair and make it a little bit easier when shaving. This is a clear shaving gel. It doesn't foam up, so I can actually see what I'm working with. Now I used to go to the barbers maybe like every 2 weeks, 3 weeks at a push. Since growing my hair out, I literally don't go to the barber. I don't even go to the barbers anymore. I go to a hairdresser, but I go about every 4 months. So obviously within that time frame, my beard grows out quite wild. It goes all the way down my neck. So I had to kind of learn how to stay on top of my facial hair so I can look a little bit fresher and a little bit smarter most of the time, rather than turning up to the hairdressers looking like a little bit of a yeti with my beard overgrown, my hair overgrown. And I think for most guys, it's important to be able to do these little things that are going to kind of tie in between your visits to the barbers, visits to the hairdressers, so you can always feel fresh, feel good about yourself and be moderately presentable. And all we're going to do with this Cutthroat razor, I'm just going to edge up this part here. I'm actually going to put the mirror down there because the first time I did this video, I was using my camera, a little screen on my camera, and I ended up messing up my line, which delayed this video for about another 3 weeks. So I'm going to use this little mirror here. I want to keep it there. I don't want to be going too low, so that these blades are extremely sharp as well. So if you end up pushing it a little bit too low, then you can definitely overdo it. Now the neck is where I struggle a little bit because obviously they say go with the grain of the hair as opposed to against the grain of the hair, and you want to try and minimize the amount of cuts that you're going to get. This is the side that I struggle with as well because I'm actually right-handed, so when I go for the right side and I'm using my left hand, it's really difficult. I guess I could try and use my right hand. The thing is, you don't have to really dig it in as well, it just glides really nicely. Right, so I'm all done with the shaving part of it now. I do have this post-shave cooling balm, so if you do have a few nicks on your neck, if it's a little bit irritated, this is just going to bring down that redness and it's going to feel quite nice and soothing. It smells like quite pepperminty. And we're just going to finish it off by using this beard oil. I'll be completely honest with you, I've got so many beard oils in my bathroom cabinet, but none of them smell like this. So I tend to put it on my fingers. You might see sometimes people will just directly drip it onto their beard. I prefer to get it on my fingers and then I can just rub it through my beard. So just get it onto the tips of your fingers and just nicely work it into your beard. And there we go guys, a very simple video showing how I'm currently keeping on top of my facial hair. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below. I will always try my best to get back to everybody. I'm going to leave a link to the brand that I'm utilising in the description so you can go check out all of the products that I've used today. Thank you very much for watching and hopefully I'll see you on my next video.